SOLIDWORKS now makes it easier to switch between the SpeedPak and parent configurations of subassemblies. SpeedPak is a way to improve performance when working on complex assemblies by creating a simplified configuration of the assembly without losing any of its file references. This is a very similar concept to the new defeatured assemblies. However, defeaturing an assembly creates a new simplified part or assembly without any references to the original components. SpeedPak, on the other hand, just creates a stripped-down configuration, so all of the references are maintained. This means you don't have to replace any components. If you already have an assembly with SpeedPak configurations set up for the subassemblies, you can now easily switch between the configurations, or simply activate or deactivate all of the SpeedPak configurations at once. When you open an assembly, you can now choose to open it with the SpeedPak configurations active. I'll click Open and browse for an assembly that already has a few SpeedPak configurations. And at the bottom of the dialog box, I have the option to use SpeedPak. I'll check the box, then click Open. In the Feature Manager, you can see by the icons that the SpeedPak configurations are active. You can change the SpeedPak configurations back to the parent configurations by right-clicking on the assembly in the Feature Manager and selecting Set SpeedPak to Parent. It's also possible to activate SpeedPak for only select subassemblies, which is a powerful option to save resources if you're only focusing on a small portion of the assembly. You can select one or more subassemblies and right-click, then select Use SpeedPak. Conversely, if SpeedPak is already enabled, I can right-click on any of the subassemblies and again select Set SpeedPak to Parent to activate the parent configuration.